So here's how to dropship from Wish to eBay. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wish account. After that, you will also need to log into your eBay account. On eBay, you must have a seller account. To start dropshipping from Wish to eBay, you have to browse the products available on Wish and identify items you want to sell. Focus on products with good reviews and ratings. If you don't have one already, create an eBay seller account. Create eBay listing for the products you have chosen. Write clear and compelling descriptions and use high quality images. Be honest about the origin of the product and shipping times. Set prices. Determine your selling prices factoring in the product cost on Wish, shipping fees, eBay fees, and your desired profit margin. When you receive your orders on eBay, go to Wish and place orders for the same products. Make sure to enter your customer's shipping address as the delivery address. Pay for the product on Wish. Ideally, use secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards for the protection. Provide your customers with the estimated shipping time and tracking information from Wish. Let them know that their order will be shipped directly from the supplier. Handle customer inquiries, concerns, and issues promptly and professionally. Communicate transparently about any delays or problems. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedbacks and reviews on your eBay store. Keep track of your sales, profit margin, customer feedback, and product quality. Adjust your strategy based on the results. So that's how to dropship from Wish to eBay.